ये देखिए भाई साहब, पनीर मेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. There you go, भटूरे. How is it?
Delicious.
This is the correct way of having Indian food.
कसं काय बरं आहे का?
अरे एक नंबर.
आई शपथ.
सुबह 9 बजे.
नमस्कार मंडळी, काय म्हणताय? Today is the day where I am co-hosting an Indian night. It's basically like an Indian dinner, and I did my very first Indian dinner, like a cultural night, a few weeks ago.
We love Indian food.
I'm really excited for tonight because जो हमारा first event था ना, it was sold out and people loved it. And my mom was the chef. A lot of people keep complaining कि Israel में there is no authentic Indian food. So we thought of doing it. The weather is almost perfect, but it is gonna get hot because it's summer. It's end of July. So यहाँ का गर्मी goes like really hot sometimes, even like 40 degrees, 45 degrees even. So I have left not very early. It's almost 9 o'clock. I do wanna get some flowers. ना यहाँ पे ना decoration का बहुत सीन है ना. Since we are doing an Indian cultural night, I wanted to get Indian decoration, which is not easily available in this country. I'm now going to buy some flowers, which I'll be decorating with in the evening, like by the table and like in the studio. So I'm gonna go buy flowers, and then I'm gonna get my favorite coffee and croissant because we don't get masala dosa, so I have to eat a replacement for it, which will never be equivalent, but you know what I mean. आपको दिख रहा है? So a lot of old people get this kind of a vehicle so that they can navigate. ये country का काफ़ी सही है. There are facilities for the elderly जो physically disabled है, even like mentally challenged है. There are a lot of facilities. So I just wanted to quickly show you because India में we don't get to see all of this, and sometimes it makes me sad because our people really need it, and we should take these elements from other countries and use it for us. So I was just walking past and I wanted to show you, this is a very beautiful synagogue. So for those of you who don't know, synagogue is a place where the Jews pray. जैसे हिंदुओं का मंदिर होता है, वैसे ही हमारा होता है synagogue, and this was kind of built in 1926. So like very old but still standing strong and tall. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, you see those vehicles. सिखा. Oh, he shouted that I shouldn't be filming, but I wanted to show you guys like what I was talking about in terms of transport for the elderly. So I hope you got a sneak peek quickly.
सुबह 11 बजे.
So this is a flower shop I usually shop from. There's an old couple that's really sweet, so I'm gonna ask them. देखिए कितने beautiful flowers है, sunflowers, all kinds of flowers. Very cute. Hi. How are you? Do you remember me?
नहीं.
I took flowers from you for the Indian nights. Remember? Ani hodit. Do you remember? I need flowers today, and I'm also filming. I'm doing a YouTube video. Nachon, can you say hi? Shalom. She's so sweet. Apparently, this auntie doesn't remember me.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Which is okay, but I asked her for some beautiful flowers. Now, यहाँ पे usually flowers are very expensive, but I requested her if she can give me everything in about 100 shekels. 100 shekels is a lot of money, by the way. But I mean, यहाँ का rate वैसा ही है. If I would be taking this from some other store, it would have been about 150, 200 shekels even. But she's giving me everything for 100 shekels. I asked her to make a bouquet of like multiple flowers, because if I take like individual flowers from all types, it's gonna be like super expensive. So I asked her to make a bouquet, and then I asked her to give me like rose petals, and then we're gonna decorate the studio with those. Right, so we have gotten our flowers. We bought our flowers. The lady was very sweet. I asked her for roses and she started asking for money. I was like, Dadi, I called her Dadi, and she got emotional. I'm like, Dadi, please mujhe de do rose petals free mein. So she gave me like some rose petals which are in my bag at the moment. Plus these flowers, they're so beautiful. Look at the color, and we're gonna be decorating with these flowers at the studio. And now we're gonna go and get my favorite coffee and croissant. As I walk by, I wanted to show you that now the stores and all are open. Usually the stores open by around like 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 actually. This is like a nice candy store. I've never been here before, but it's like pretty chill. And then there are like, oh, this one's shut, but there's like a mobile store, and then there's this kapda ka store, and then there is like, can you see, like dry fruits and stuff. In Israel, unless it's Tel Aviv, not even Tel Aviv, actually Israel May in general, the stores open up like around 10, but they shut also pretty soon, like 6 o'clock. 6 by 6, 7, everything is shut. I think the malls shut by 10 p.m. and then if there are theaters, the theaters are open. But apart from that, यहाँ पे everything shuts early. So if you want to get something late in the night, it's not really possible. Yeah, I miss India in those matters as well. Because India में कैसा everything used to be open. 9:30, 10, 11 even. Tembi Naka, Jamli Naka, everything used to be open. यहाँ पे सब 10 बजे सब दुकान बंद करके बैठ जाते हैं. Delish breakfast is being served. קטן עם חלב סויה וגם יש כוסו חמה קטן. I just wanted to quickly show you something. So during the summer, because it's so hot, you have these water sprays for everybody and especially for the kids. They have such a good time. Look at them. Look at them. So cute. Cheers. This is not chai, but हम इससे काम चला लेते हैं. It's a really good coffee. I don't know. I didn't show you which one. So it's rolled in. I think it's like, you can see because it's like inverted opposite, but it's rolled in. It's a really good brand. They get some really good cappuccino with soya milk and it's really tasty. Wow. And this, my friends, is a croissant. Wow. This, if you don't eat fresh, kuch kaam ka nahi hai. But this, right from the oven with your cappuccino is like the perfect combination. Also, I did not, grow up drinking soya milk. I started soya milk in Israel. I have been having issues with dairy and dairy products since I moved to Israel क्योंकि यहाँ का दूध और dairy बहुत ज़्यादा processed है, so my body cannot take it. I mean, my mom and dad can still eat it, my sister can still eat it. I personally having issues with dairy. I spoke to some other Indian friends as well, and there are like some people that are having issues. पता नहीं, I was just very sad because when we grew up in India, दूध के जो है प्रकार, sweets and like butter chicken and like paneer, we grew up on all these things, but now all of a sudden I have to switch to soya milk. बहुत दर्द होता है सीने में, but what can you do? So this entire meal with 2 croissants and a small coffee costs about 20 shekels. यहाँ के भाव are like, sometimes feel like you can't afford it.
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
बट तुम जितना कम सोचोगे उतना ज़्यादा मज़ा करोगे. थोड़ा खर्चा होएगा, but it's okay because you have to live life also. But when you come from India, you will kind of start converting. ये मैंने बहुत टाइम के बाद सीखा. Almost took me 2 years to stop converting. But once I stopped converting, I started to enjoy, and it's not like your bank balance is going khali. You can save some money, enjoy, but you have to do it in limit. You can't just have coffee outside every day. Today is a special day, so I'm treating myself with coffee and croissant. But most days, I have ghar pe chai. One good thing that you'll see in Israel is a lot of like natural stuff. I mean, this is man-made, but like with water and a lot of greenery. You can see it's not a park, but it's a place for people to come and chill. There are some beautiful fishes, as you can see, and people can come and sit here and chill and have coffee. ये काफी सही area है Israel का. It's in Ramat Gan, and then here you have like a super farm जहाँ पे you can buy your medicines and your daily provisions. And then you can see some water lilies right there. So beautiful, bro. अरे वो तो गिर रहे हैं, but ठीक है. कबूतर जा जा जा. यहाँ के कबूतर है ना, they're just like, they're annoying also, but they're cute also. I don't understand. And they don't even get scared. See, I'm walking so close to this kabutar and he doesn't even care. Look, 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 look. See, again, they don't even fly. They don't care. I'm literally walking in the middle of their jhund. But they're still there. How? So the craziest thing happened. I walked into another flower shop and I wasn't very happy with these flowers. I mean, I was like, I need more colors. So I walked into this other flower shop and you see this uncle. Tagid shalom.
שלום, שלום.
And
כל טוב שיהיה לחתונה שלה בעזרת השם.
he's saying that he wants me to get married very quickly, and when I do, I should get flowers from his shop. He's giving me only for 40 shekels. That's insane. This is his card. I'm gonna add his details. So anybody who's in Israel, please come to his shop. It's in Bnei Barak. Beautiful flowers and extremely cheap and beautiful people, of course. I wish I could have come to this store before, but now that I know, very cool. Can you listen to the song? Hayo Rabba, Hayo Rabba. They're just playing Hayo Rabba in Hebrew. That's insane. So the current situation is I got 2 bouquets now. Can you see? I went all out today. I wasn't very happy with the first bouquet. I mean, she gave me some really good flowers in the first event. So I went to her. Now that I found out this guy, he gave me a bigger bouquet for 40 shekels compared to the first one, which is like 100 shekels. But I felt bad because, you know, they are like my grandparents and I didn't want to argue, so I just gave the money. But I found out this guy who gives like a beautiful bouquet. Wow, I am obsessed for just 40 shekels, you guys. I'm going to add the link to the description. If you're ever in Israel and in Ramat Gan, you should really get flowers from this guy. And he's such a vibe. And he's like, bro, get married. And whenever you get married, get flowers from me.
दोपहर 3:30 बजे.
יצא ממנו לאותו רחוב שבאת, לתחנת אוטובוס. תעלה איתי באוטובוס. ככה אני אמרתי.
Alright, I'm on my way to the studio. I'm kind of like running late because there was so much traffic and this bus driver was screaming at the top of his voice. It was so annoying. It was like the way people speak here, I don't understand where is the politeness. Anyway, I'm now rushing to the studio. I'll see you there. Here you go. Some garlic chutney.
I knew your parents were used to you getting the camera in their faces.
And papad, of course, because we're gonna make masala papad. ये देखिए हमारा flower arrangement कितना सुंदर हो गया देखिए. I just basically now deconstructed the bouquet and just added to this beautiful bowl. I'm gonna light this in a while. I'm just trying to set up another flower thingy arrangement. But this is so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. Mataji, chef for today. काय पाहिजे? Glove पाहिजे? तड़का लग रहा है. That's तड़का ना mom? Look at that chana masala. दूसरा flower arrangement भी बन गया है. I am obsessed with these flower arrangements, you guys. Look at this. Look at these two. So cool. ये देखिए इतना बढ़िया बनाया है. Wow. Obsessed. डैडी को भी काम पे लगाया आज. ये देखिए भाई साहब पनीर मेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. कांट बिलीव इट. इजराइल में खाने को मिलेगा. ब्यूटीफुल. ये चटनी, ये समोसे का फिलिंग, ये पनीर टिक्का मसाला का ग्रेवी बन रहा है यहाँ पे. काफ़ी बढ़िया. Setting up the table. अरे वाह. ये देखिए मैरिनेशन. मोमोज. Oh my god. देखिए समोसा बन रहा है काफ़ी बढ़िया.
Yeah.
That's Alia, the founder of Citrus and Salt, and she is making the delicious samosas. Woo! Yeah. There you go.
We're gonna stuff it with potato.
Potato.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Mir, look at me. Wow.
They're proud of you.
Guys, I'm going to, first of all, I crushed Davos. And second of all, I'm going to India in January and February.
I'm coming with you.
Great. I want to go to Kerala.
Kerala. So to our audience,
Great. Wow. Okay, I'm going to heat the oil.
निकाल ना एकदम मस्त. अरे वा. अरे हो बाबा. आमचा मित्र ठाण्यातला मिखाएल काय म्हणतोय? क्या बात है. क्या समोसे तले. वाव. Samosas are ready. Looks so delicious. देखिए guys, paneer tikka masala is finally ready. Wow. And then there's dal tadka. Woohoo! Chutney. Here you go. Chef Alon is trying our papad with raita and chutney. Let's go. Be careful, it's messy. Yeah. Woo! क्या बात, एक नंबर.
Some Indians in
Oh my gosh. There you go, bature. क्या बात है.
She doesn't look like a mom right now.
She doesn't look like a mom. Thank you. Cheers. क्या बात है. Woo! Mango lassi. Why? How is it?
Delicious. So delicious. So I am here with Nancy Martyr.
Alan Martyr.
And they are our guests for today's Indian food feast, and they have a lot to say about our dinner today. I'd love to know how you feel about it.
Oh, it was absolutely delicious. I loved every bite. It was spicy, but it was good and spicy.
And sir?
The food was delicious, but the company was even better. We felt so warm and welcome here. I'd recommend it for anyone visiting Israel or people who live in Israel.
Which was your favorite dish?
Ooh, my favorite dish. I liked the paneer.
Paneer tikka masala.
Yes, that was delicious.
I love the mango smoothie. That was amazing.
Mango lassi, aka the mango smoothie. All right. All good, all right. So a lot of my audience is from India, and they support Israel with whatever is happening.
Thank you.
Do you have a message for them?
Israel needs as much support as it can get.
Just come here, volunteer, spend some time in the city, spend some money, and visit these wonderful people.
Thank you.
We love Indian food, especially its citrus and salt.
Hey, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you. It was lovely. So I have a very special friend from Romania. What's your name?
Adina is my name.
Okay, what is the first word that comes to your mind after you attended this event today?
Blessing.
Oh my gosh. I have to say, you look very Indian because of your attire.
Thank you very much. I bought this special dress from an Indian store in Romania, in Bucharest. So
That's awesome. Which is your favorite dish?
the papadam and the samosas.
The masala papad and the samosas,
Yes.
right? What do you love most about the Indian culture?
Everything. There's nothing not to love about it.
Am I your first Indian Jewish friend?
Yes.
If you were to create, because you're from Romania,
Yeah.
if you were to create a joint dish which is Romanian and Indian, what would that be?
I do something sweet because I'm in the pastry field, pretty active. So I figure something out. An Indian Romanian pastry.
I would love
dessert,
that.
something
She's gonna
a
invite
dessert.
us and I'm gonna film it.
Yes,
Alright.
for sure.
Namaste. This is the correct way of having Indian food, you guys, with your hands. There you go. I am here with
Noam.
Aliza.
Do you have something to say to our audience?
I do. Kasakai Baraika.
Arre, ek number. All right, let's talk about Bollywood dancing. Was this your first Bollywood routine?
It was. It was definitely amazing, out of this world. I got my hips on, I got my arms. It was great.
Which was your favorite step?
This one.
Aliza, what was the highlight of the night today?
I have to say just absolutely everything. Everything together was so good. I wanted to put everything, like combine all the flavors and eat it together. It was so delicious. Coming from like Polish, Russian ancestry, we don't have that much spice. So
much
like,
masala.
oh my gosh, it was so good.
If you had to pick like one dish from this dinner today to eat it for the rest of your life, which one would it be?
Might be the lassi.
The lassi? I think everybody loves lassi. It's something about
So
mango
good.
lassi is just like,
So good.
right? I think we should make lassi popsicles. That would be the best.
Oh my god.
That's a good business idea for us.
Oh my gosh.
Dairy free though?
Dairy free.
Make dairy free
I want
too.
to be able to enjoy it too.
All right. A lot of my audience is from India. Do you have a message for them about Indian people and the Indian culture?
Yeah, there's so much to learn about the Jewish people in regards to India. I learned so much from tonight. It has like a fusion of the Hindu culture and the Muslim culture and brings it together. I thought it's just a very beautiful atmosphere.
Thank you for coming and thank you for enjoying with us. And as for you?
I learned that there's so much that I don't know, and there's so much that I want to know. So hopefully one day I'll be able to come and tour India, all of it as much as possible, because there's so much to see and taste and explore, and I'm so excited.
We are getting Aliza on our first tour to India. We'll see you soon.
Dear Sara Pyar.
Introducing the one and only Desi friend Mikhail. काय म्हणताय सर? काय म्हणताय?
काय बरं आहे.
तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं आज?
ओह चांगला तृप्त.
तृप्त. आई शपथ मी हा शब्द
It's been ages since, not ages, but it's been ages since I ate samosa, but it was amazing.
Wait, but I have to give you context. So Mikhail made Aliyah, like moved to Israel when?
8 years ago?
8 years ago.
Yeah.
And it's been a long time since you made Aliyah, so of course you miss home and you miss Indian food.
Who does not?
Who does not?
Miss it?
No, of course not.
Yeah.
But ह्याची स्पेशल काय म्हणतात रिक्वेस्ट होती कारण ही मिसेस होममेड फूड लाईक अनलाईक मी माय फॅमिली इज हिअर हिज फॅमिली
So
इज
you
नॉट
make it, you
हिअर
make it daily, you get Indian food every day. काय पण असतं तर करू नका. Nonsense.
पण I'm so happy that he made it to the event आणि
I'm glad. Thank you for inviting.
ऑफकोर्स आणि डब्यात पॅक करून पण दिले म्हणजे उद्या परवा भूक लागली की खाणार
2 दिवस.
2 दिवसाचं जेवण झालंय
And by the way, say thank you to Alia for inviting me.
ऑफ कोर्स
I'm a singer, right? Yeah.
Yes. Finally, हम घर पे आ गए हैं. We had a long day, and to the star of the Indian food feast, my one and only mother.
थँक यू.
काय म्हणताय? कसं वाटलं तुम्हाला आज? आज सगळं कुकिंग माझ्या मातोश्रीने केलेलं आहे.
आल्याने पण केलंय.
आलेने पण केलंय, पण यू आर लाईक द मेन शेफ मेकिंग ऑथेंटिक होममेड इंडियन फूड.
नाही मजा आली. बरं वाटते. इट वॉज फन. आय एन्जॉयड कुकिंग. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज ऑल माय गेस्ट लव्ह द फूड and all the items came out very well. I'm so happy and I'm satisfied.
And which was your favorite dish? The one that you made?
पनीर टिक्का मसाला. I loved it. It came out excellent.
इसी के साथ हम खत्म करते हैं आज का व्लॉग. आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड इट. आई हैड अ रियली गुड टाइम फिल्मिंग टुडे. मुझे पता नहीं था हाउ आई वाज गोना डू इट बिकॉज आई वाज फिल्मिंग ऑल्सो, होस्टिंग ऑल्सो, बट आई मैनेज्ड इट समहाउ सिंस दिस मॉर्निंग. ऐसे ही देखते रहिए, सपोर्ट करते रहिए, मेरा वीडियो शेयर करते रहिए, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय.